Shalom IT lovers of my classes, welcome to Data Analysis, DA here, and VS Machine Learning, ML. Of course, you are invited to watch any of my previous IT tutorials. Last week, we could build our simple mobile app number 3 called AfroQuoteGen app and run it on VS Code and deploy it on a secured place called tiny.host, and we saw it on our cell phone and could share the link wherever we wanted. Today we want to keep using Python a little while longer, but we want to go back to Google Colab and practice some data analysis in comparison to machine learning first, and then later we'll move on just with some more data analysis projects, because we've done the machine learning projects before, and now we want to move on with data analysis. But first, compare both. Look, these are two different things, but they kind of use similar coding techniques. Let's see that in one same project, in DA and in ML versions. Thank God again, I'm about to tell you the same thing in German and French. Heute wollen wir Python noch eine kleine Weile länger verwenden. Wir wollen zu Google Colab zurückkehren und Datenanalyse im Vergleich zu Machine Learning praktizieren. Und dann werden wir später mit einigen weiteren Data-Analyse-Projekten weitermachen. Wir haben schon Machine Learning-Projekte zusammen praktiziert. Jetzt wollen wir mal weiter. Schauen Sie, das sind zwei verschiedene Dinge, aber sie verwenden ähnliche Codierungstechniken. Sehen wir uns das in einem gleichen Projekt in DA und in ML-Versionen an. Donc en français, ça donne oui, aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer à utiliser Python un petit peu plus longtemps. Nous allons d'abord revenir à Google Colab et pratiquer l'analyse des données. On appelle ça DA, Data Analysis, comparé à Machine Learning, ML donc. Ensuite, plus tard, nous continuerons uniquement avec d'autres projets DA, puisque nous avons déjà fait quelques projets ML ensemble avant. Là, c'est vraiment juste pour comparer les deux. Écoutez, ce sont deux choses différentes, mais elles utilisent en quelque sorte des techniques de codage similaires. Donc, voyons tout cela dans un même projet en version DA et en version ML. All right, let's start. As I said on Google Colab, let's start with a comment. Welcome to DA. Here our first part, DA, like data analysis, VS ML. Oh, yes, ML, like machine learning. And this is going to be our part 1. Because, you know. Okay, like this. So here, before I start typing, it's important to know that while both machine learning, ML, and data analysis involve working with data and often use similar coding techniques, their goals and methods differ significantly. The key differences for data analysis, the goal is to understand, interpret, and draw conclusions from data. The methods are descriptive statistics, data visualization, and exploratory data analysis. And the outcome is going to be insights, summaries, and reports based on historical data. While machine learning, as we have practiced before, the goal is always to create models that can make predictions or decisions based on data. Methods used are, as you know, algorithms that learn from data, such as regression, classification, clustering. You know, we practiced that a lot before, and the outcome are going to be predictive models that can generalize to new or unseen data. Let's get started with a short coding example now. Of course, again, we use Python for this example. We will demonstrate the difference using a simple data set containing information about cars, such as weight and fuel efficiency. So the MPG here will be standing for miles per gallon, which is a measure of fuel efficiency in vehicles. Okay, this is a data analysis example. First, of course, we have to import the libraries, and then again import pandas as PD, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. And as you can see here, we have also a copilot on Colab, and you know, it makes suggestions, sorry, and you can accept or deny them, or sometimes I just accept and then correct in exactly what I want to do. So here we load the data set first, down data equal pd data frame. We want it, you know, beautiful. So we indicate the weight and the MPG. So these are random values, and I'm going to, I think I shall add the comment here what MPG stands for, and then we're gonna send the command for the basic statistics. And here in data analysis, we didn't see that in machine learning before. Here we have a command called print data.describe method. That's very interesting. I didn't know that one before, and we're gonna need that here. And then we're going to do a simple data visualization. As I said, it's going to be plt.scatter, data weight, and data MPG. And then here we're going to just accept the suggestions here. Let me change the MPG. We're going to get here instead of price, MPG, and then we want values like 35, 33, and 30, 28, and here 25. Okay, here MPG stands for, let me comment that, because you know it's not easy to know that if you don't have a car. Okay. MPG stands, let me make some space here, for okay, now let's add a comment here. We want basic, yes, statistic printer. Described exactly. And here we don't want to scatter, no plot here. You see, it's good to accept the suggestions, but sometimes it's, you know, it's not what I want to do. Okay, here I prefer that. Plot scatter. Yes, weight and MPG. Okay, looks good. Let me see. Or else, here we want to replace the we want the title here first. Let me add that here. Title car. And for the X label weight, we want to get that in, let's get that in LBS. And what else? MPG is good, and show, of course, we have to close right here. Now it looks good. Okay, so this is our GA part. Now let's run and see. Yes, so outcome inside such as heavier cars tend to have lower MPG, as you can see. Okay, now let's do the same down here. So this one is for comparison. So right now we're going to get the machine learning example. Comment. We have done that before, our machine learning, so it's a little repetition here. It's always good to refresh. We're going to import import pandas. From scalar linear, it's very important to be exact. From scalar and indent, I want it right. Linear model, import linear regression, and import matplotlib .pyplot as PLT. Yes. Okay, and we want to first load the data set. It's going to be the same, of course, like as above. And here we want the data equal PD. I'm going to go get them there, so I don't have to rewrite that all. It's not good. So PD data we open that, and I'm going to go get that here from above, and I'm going to stick that here. Okay, load the data set. Okay, I'm going to remove that part. And we have the same thing as above, and now we want to split into features and target. So we're going to comment that here. Here and see if we have to correct. So let me see. Data weight and MP. So here new weights, and here we want to get 2100. Okay. Here we want predicted MPG, and here model we want to predict weights. We accept restrictions here, and we don't want that. We want to plot the results already here. So I'm going to speed the process, but let me first write the comment. Plot. Okay, as you can see here, after we run it, well, I can run it one more time. Work. Well, you already have the output, but it's going to come back. So this is the whole coding, the machine learning part. It's complete, and the output, as you can see, is different. And what we wanted to know is the prediction of MPG. And here we have predicted MPG for weights 22.7 and 20.2. Okay, so explanation of what we just did. The goal was to create a model to predict MPG based on the car weight. The method we have used is train a linear regression model using the data set, and the outcome is different. The outcome is a model that can predict the MPG for the new car weights, demonstrated with the prediction for weights of 2021 PS. Okay, so this is the difference between the two coding of DA, data analysis, and machine learning. You know, I thought it was important to point it out. Okay, so summary. My summary is that data analysis focuses on understanding and visualizing existing data to draw conclusions, while machine learning focuses on building models that can make predictions or decisions based on data. These examples, that was an easy example. They highlight how similar coding techniques can be used for different purposes in data analysis and machine learning. That's very interesting. So we are going to move on still on this topic, data analysis vs machine learning, but next time I want to show some female-oriented examples so to get ladies to understand also what we are talking about more clearly with female examples. Okay, I hope you liked it, and that you understand what I'm doing. All right, so thank you for watching. The rest is coming next. God bless you. Bye bye.